Today we take a look on the indicator EMA. What is the EMA, for what you can use the EMA and how you find the perfect settings, we take a look in this video. If you like this kind of video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I would say let's go. So hello and welcome to today's indicator session about the EMA. First of all, what is an EMA? EMA stands for the exponential moving average, and that means that all in all, EMA is an indicator which gives you an average of a time period of your current chart. So guys, to create the indicator, you have to go on the top menu here on the point of indicators, and there you have to fill the box here with EMA, which stands, as you can see here, for the moving average. And important here, don't go with double EMA, don't go with triple EMA, don't go with any other EMA here, just the normal moving average exponential. So if we click on it, you will see that there's directly like coming this blue line here to your chart. And to be honest, I don't like this colorway, and for this I will change now here the color. So you go here to the chart, you can see your indicator on the top left corner here. And what we have to do here is to go to the settings, go on the style point here, and you can see there are not a lot of options, but the only thing I do here is to change my color. You can definitely choose whatever color you want. I will go here now with the white color. I make it a bit more thick here, and now I have the EMA optimized for my chart. So this is now the EMA in the like standard settings, and this EMA gives you now an average of the last 9 candles in your current time frame. In my example here now, the 1 hour time frame, that means this EMA is built of the last 9 1-hour candles, and that all in the time here. So before I continue here, it's very important to say that all in all, the EMA is most of the time not an indicator which you like normally use by their own. Most of time you combine this indicator with other technical indicators, like for example the RSI or the MACD, which I explained you in the last video. So just to say to you guys, I all time like connect this indicator with other indicators, but all in all, you have definitely with this EMA, which is most of the attractive and popular indicators, a lot of options. So one option here with the normal EMA is to use it as a like support and resistance area, because as you can see, for example here in this uptrend, that the EMA gives you a nice support point. So the EMA gives you here support, the EMA gives you on this point a support, and on this point where we break it. So it means that the EMA can be used to a support where you can place your trades, for example in this here for uptrend. If we go here to another example, you can see that in this little downtrend, all the time the chart is dropping to the EMA, so you could use the EMA here all the time as a like resistant area. So this is one way how you can use the EMA. So guys, as you can see, I integrated now 2 more EMAs here to my chart, and they are all now in the same setting. They are all in the white color and in the same settings, and we want to change this now. And for this, we go here to the second EMA again in the settings, and now not on the style point, we go here in the inputs, and there you have some here very important facts. So first of all, we can see the time frame, and this is here like basic on the chart option. If we click on it, you can see every like different time frame. That means that you can like optimize the EMA to each time frame. So for example, you go here on the 6-month time frame. That means the EMA is all time looked just to the 6-month time frame. In our example here, we want to do it on the 1 hour time frame. Next to this, we have the length, which is very important for the EMA, because this gives you the time average zone. That means that in this example now, the EMA is built on the last 9 candles of the 1 hour time frame. So for the last 9 1 hour candles, but we want to do this here now to a level of 50. That means our EMA is created here in the average of the last 51 hour candles. Last but not least, we change it to a different color just for a better overview. We do this here in this example now green. And last but not least, click on OK. And now you can see that this EMA is going in another way like the normal EMA. What we do next here is to go with our third EMA. And for this, we go again here in the settings. We do it directly here in another style. So for example, now red, but important, the color makes no difference here. And what makes it different is the input. So again, we go here in our time frame. And for this EMA, I all time using the 4-hour time frame. Next to this, I want to change the length on a level of 200, and that means all in all that this EMA gives you an average of the last 200 candles in the 4-hour time frame. That means for the last 204-hour candles here. Last but not least, click here on OK, and now you can see that there are these 3 EMAs. If I'm going to zoom out here a little bit, like you can see, is that the green and white EMA is much more close than the red EMA, and that is very important here because I all time using the red EMA, the 200 EMA of the 4-hour time frame, all time for the overview of the trend. So that means if the chart is upper than our red EMA, it means we are in an uptrend. If our chart is lower than our 200 EMA here, that means that we are in a downtrend. So I'm using this EMA for like a better overview and for example for investments or long trades. My second EMA, the 50 EMA of the 1-hour time frame, so the green EMA you can see here, I'm using in smaller time frames for the decision if I make a long or a short trade. For example, we take a look here on this situation. As you can see, the market is coming lower our 50 EMA here, and that means for me that in this period I'm only take a look for short trades. So after we closed below our 50 EMA here, my focus is just on short trades. So in this whole area I only go for short trades. But for example, if we go on this situation here where we are upper our 50 EMA, on this situation I'm only going here for uptrends, so I'm only going on this situation for long trends, and this is what I'm using the 50 EMA for. Last but not least, I have my normal EMA here, which I'm taking as an overview to have a nice overview how the chart is going. For example, to take a look what is happening if they are coming such a outturn of our EMA, because these periods are all the time very important and very profitable in best case for my trading. So this is how I'm using all these EMAs together. But important, as I said, you guys, I'm not using the EMA only. I connect it with other indicators for my final trades. So guys, that's it about today's indicator session of the EMA. I hope you enjoyed the video and I can teach you some more informations about this indicator. If you like this kind of videos, smash the like button, subscribe this channel, let me know any questions in the comments, and then I would say goodbye.